Today, I got a thought that we can never think of. Imagine what would have happened if our India would not be integrated from more than 500 princely states, from a one united country. What else would happen? All of us will be scattered in different princely states, and our India probably would have a strange and an odd map, right? But all thanks to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, a man with huge significance who gave us the identity and a beautiful shape to our Bharat that today we all live in. Hello everyone, myself Kumkum and today I am blessed to be here and talk about my constant source of inspiration, who's none other than Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the most eminent and prominent figure of Indian freedom struggle, was born on 31st October 1875 in Nadiad village, Gujarat. Sardar Patel was a brave character from his childhood. He traveled to England to be a barrister. After a few years, he returned back to India and continued his practices in Ahmedabad. And there he became one of the most successful lawyers in the city. He was highly influenced by Gandhian principles and greatly admired Mahatma Gandhi. Much like Gandhi, Sardar Patel also promoted the concept of ahimsa, and hence he once said, one can take a path of revolution, but the revolution should not shock the society. Hence, there's no place for violence in revolution. After that, he joined Indian National Congress and started with Satyagraha movement in Gujarat against Britishers. He not only participated in political and freedom wars, but also influenced a large number of people who participated in it. After India's independence, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel served as first Home Minister and first Deputy Prime Minister of India. I am proudly share with you all that the world's tallest statue, the Statue of Unity, is dedicated to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. It was inaugurated by our respected Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji on 31st October 2018, also known as Rashtriya Ekta Divas and the National Unity Day. The statue is 182-meter high, located in front of the Sardar Dam near the Narmada River in the state of Gujarat. He used his strength and dedication to put together 562 princely states to form a one united country we all known as India. Hats off to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Many thanks to the Iron Man of India. In 1950s, due to the poor health conditions, he met with a massive heart attack and died on 15 December in Birla House, Bombay. At last, I want to conclude that the entire life of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel is so much inspiring for all of us. His aspiration to achieve these efforts are totally inspiring, and no doubt, unlike mine, he is the role model of our country, India. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat, and a very happy Independence Day to all of you.